Global wind production projected to double by 2027, and wind turbine technician is one of the fastest growing jobs in the U.S. Still, wind energy faces challenges. Wind farms are in remote locations, and inspectors must travel long distances to approve wind turbine inspections. CloudVisit has a scalable solution to update current installation and maintenance practices and keep up with this high-speed growth. Now, inspectors don't have to travel from site to site. They can approve wind turbine inspections from their desktop. Using CloudWind's turbine inspection software, inspectors can communicate with on-site technicians through video conference. All visual inspection data can be uploaded to the cloud and securely stored. This data, such as video and audio recordings, photos, and written communication, is available during inspection and long after. CloudVisit Software provides enhanced data analysis, and customized reports can provide insights into installation, maintenance, repairs, and operations. Visit cloudvisit.com to learn about our vision and a future powered by wind. Using wind turbine inspection software, renewable wind energy can grow around the world.